What is up, guys? Today we're going to make a bacon burger crunch wrap with the side of Spanish rice. Alright, now we're going to use the burger patty, Lightlife, because there's always a lot in life. And now we're going to use some grapeseed oil to help make this taste really good. And now we're going to fry it up and let it continue to unthaw. Now this is the wrap we're going to be using. I got it from my local Walmart, and we're going to put some Hidden Valley Ranch on that burger, some minced onion, and some dill weed, and some pepper, and some garlic powder. And then I flipped it over and mashed it on the other side. It kind of broke, so that was a disappointment, but I just seasoned the other side of it, and continue to let it cook for about a few minutes until it got brown on each side. Look at that smoke. Alright, so now we're going to warm up some Spanish rice and then add the cheese on top. This cheese didn't really melt, maybe because it was in a skillet pan, so but it was still overall good. Then I'm using Vegenaise, spreading that on the wrap, and then add your burger, add the little crust to it too, and then put some bacon on top of it. Add your bacon ranch. Alright, and now it's time to fold it together. That looks good. So at the last minute, I decided to actually go back to the pan that had the crust and all that stuff with it, spray a little oil, and fry it again to give it that little char on top of the wrap to give it a crunch. And that's how it looks. And here's my review.
Ooh, that's good.
Now you can eat good. Follow for more.